In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy Calendly link. If you've ever needed to quickly share your availability, your Calendly event link is the fastest way to get time on the calendar without endless back and forth. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where that link lives and how to copy it so you can share it confidently. Start by opening Calendly in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to the scheduling page. This is where your event types live, such as a 15-minute intro call, a 30-minute meeting, or any custom event you've created. Think of this page as your control center. Each event here has its own unique booking link. On the scheduling page, look at the list of your event types. Next to each one, you'll see options for managing and sharing it. Find the option labeled Copy Link. Depending on your screen size, you might see it directly on the event card, or it may appear when you hover your mouse over the event. If you manage events for a team, you'll see similar controls for team events here too. Before you copy, take a second to confirm you're on the correct event. The name should match what you intend to share because each event can have different durations, locations, or availability settings. This quick check helps you avoid sending someone to the wrong booking page. When you're ready, click Copy Link. Calendly will place that event's unique booking URL on your clipboard and usually shows a small confirmation message like link copied. That means the link is ready to be used anywhere you need it. The link will direct invitees to your selected event type, where they'll see open times that follow the rules and availability you've already set. A couple of helpful notes as you use these links. If you have team-based round robin or collective events, the copied link automatically respects those assignment rules. If you've recently changed your hours or buffer times, those updates are reflected immediately, so you don't need a new link. And if you're working on mobile, the copy link control may appear in a share menu on the event instead of on the main card, but it functions the same way. That's all there is to it. Open Calendly, go to your scheduling page, locate the event you want, and click Copy Link. With that, you're ready to share your availability in a clean, professional way.